That is your shoulder roll, also known as your parkour roll. It's the roll that you're going to be using when you're going to go forward, not sideways. Sideways for sideways roll, forwards for shoulder roll. So let's break it down. Step number one, you've got to choose whether you want to practice it on concrete or grass. In the end, you're going to be doing both. So I'm going to be showcasing it on concrete because that's the athlete that we want to become. So let's get into it. Step number two, we're going to still do exactly the same as the shoulder roll, but this time we're going that way. So you bring your feet forward. Both your legs are now facing the direction of where you want to roll. Step number three, exactly the same, triangles. Without triangles, your face is going to hit the floor. So no matter what you do, any roll whatsoever, always a triangle. Hand straight onto the floor. Number four, the most important thing with your shoulder roll is that we have to roll over our shoulder. So when you place your hands down for the triangle, you're going to go into this lunge position. The shoulder you're going to roll over, your hands are going to be on the other side. So I'm going to roll over my right shoulder, my triangle is on the left side. And then once you roll, you drop your elbow and you roll over that shoulder. A couple of tips to remember. When you roll, tuck your chin in, because if you open your head will hit the floor and it's not good, especially rolling on concrete. Then, to go fast into your roll is the most important thing. If you roll slow, you're just going to flop. So in order to roll fast, the leg that is behind here, you're going to push into your roll. So breaking it all the way down, we're in this lunge position facing forward, our triangle on the opposite side, our leg ready, tuck your chin in and push over your shoulder. You may be asking, when should I use this roll versus the sideways roll? Well, that comes down to you as the parkour athlete to see what happens when you do your skill. Sometimes you're going to be in this position and you have to roll forward. Sometimes you fall over sideways and you do the sideways roll. By learning both the rolls, you'll be able to fall safely at any given time, so practice both of them.
Let's go! Real quick, if you're loving all of this, but you want to take your parkour to the next level, then I've got something for you. Parkour360 Academy. Inside, you'll find the world's largest online parkour library to master the art of movement. You'll also get instant access to our global parkour challenge called Skill Quest. More importantly, you'll find other parkour athletes to connect with, access the global parkour spot map, and learn from other tracers with years of parkour experience. If you're a beginner looking to get started for the first time, or a seasoned parkour athlete to go professional, you're in the right place. Click join to get started for free, and we'll see you on the inside. So get out there, train hard, and play differently. Let's go.